When you pull into your driveway, turn the key, and hear the engine spin down to a stop, the natural assumption is that the machine is dead. The thousands of explosions powering your commute are over, and the vehicle is safe. Federal safety regulators recently shattered that assumption for owners of two extremely popular off-road vehicles. An urgent alert follows 51 reports of these specific vehicles erupting into flames. In these cases, there was no crash and the engines were not running. The risk is high enough that officials have issued an emergency directive telling owners to immediately stop parking these vehicles inside garages, under apartment complexes, or anywhere near a building. A parked car isn't necessarily powered down. Until the hidden mechanical cause is found and fixed, a family driveway can suddenly become a liability. The targets of this recall are two of Jeep's undisputed flagships, the Wrangler SUV and the Gladiator pickup truck. The alert covers a manufacturing window stretching from model years 2021 all the way through 2025. In the United States alone, exactly 1,076,999 of these vehicles are currently on the road. The problem crosses borders, with hundreds of thousands more units scattered across Canada, Mexico, and other global markets, pushing the total to 1.3 million. Across 3 continents, over 1 million individual owners are now managing the same localized mechanical risk. This wireframe map of the engine bay isolates the problem. The failure originates in the electric-hydraulic power steering pump wiring harness. Within this specific bundle of wires, a flawed electrical connection point creates the initial point of failure. Under certain conditions, this degraded connection creates a bottleneck. As electrical current tries to push through, it meets high resistance. Because the electricity cannot pass through efficiently, that bottleneck forces the electrical energy to convert directly into intense localized heat. That concentrated heat reaches temperatures high enough to melt the surrounding plastics, fluids, and wire insulation until they ignite. Microscopic electrical friction deep within the power grid generates enough energy to ignite the vehicle's interior materials. This process occurs even when the keys are completely out of the ignition. This electrical schematic shows why. The power steering circuit maintains a direct continuous connection to the vehicle's battery, bypassing the ignition switch and drawing current while the engine is dead. While the vehicle is in motion, the service power steering light on the dashboard serves as the first indicator of a failing connection. Drivers may feel the steering wheel become suddenly heavy and difficult to turn at low speeds. The ultimate failure, a spontaneous fire, happens entirely independent of the engine running, meaning these symptoms may never appear before the vehicle is parked. A silent, disconnected engine offers no protection against an active electrical short, making physical observation impossible once the car is stationary. Jeep estimates that only 0.1% of these recalled vehicles actually possess the physical defect. This array represents the challenge. The actual danger is buried inside a pool of 1.3 million otherwise healthy vehicles. The manufacturer has no remote diagnostics to pinpoint which exact vehicles hold those defective parts. They have to stop and physically inspect each one. With the specific defective units currently indistinguishable, federal authorities issued a blanket warning requiring all 1.3 million vehicles to be treated as high risk until inspected. Modern automotive safety accepts massive logistical disruption for millions to prevent a fraction of a percent of potential disasters. The most critical step for owners is to park the vehicle completely outside, away from homes, enclosed garages, and other cars. Starting June 11, 2026, owners can run their 17-digit vehicle identification number on NHTSA.gov or through the official Safer Car app to verify their status. Official letters for Recall 21D will begin arriving in mailboxes on July 9, 2026. Local dealerships will inspect the components and permanently secure the connection by either replacing the wiring harness or swapping out the entire pump, free of charge. The ruggedness of an off-road chassis offers no protection against the vulnerabilities of its modern electrical grid. A single frayed wire can compromise the entire machine.